Hi folks, Pete here from Ashton's Cars. Today we're looking at a 65 plate Toyota Yaris. I've known this car most of its life. It's a 1.3 litre Icon model that I bought when it was fairly new for a customer. It was a car that we bought to order. It's since been passed through the family. The daughter's recently had it, and well, she's moving on to a new car. She's just bought a new car off us, so I've now taken it back in part exchange. I think I must have bought the car when it was about 3 or 4 years old, so it's now 9 years old this year. So yeah, about 5-6 years ago I bought this car originally. It's only done 51,000 miles, and it's a 1.3 litre Icon model. So it's quite a high spec. It's got Bluetooth and it's got even media streaming in it, so it's quite a decent specification. I love these cars. Love all Toyotas, quite frankly, because they're reliable, solid, dependable, and everything in them works. It seems to have it just right, Toyota do. And when you work in this job, you tend to value things like reliability even more than just your average user, because we're dealing with cars day in, day out. And Toyotas are one of those cars that I never really have any issues with after sales. So it's a great car, great model for us. Just about to be overtaken by someone here. It's a very misty, horrible day, but I thought I'd bring it down to the seafront anyway, just to show it off, this car. And it's in very good shape. It doesn't really look any different to when I bought it first. I mean, it's been very well looked after by the people who've had it. They are regular customers of mine who have become friends really over the years. They've bought as a family, probably getting on for double figures, the amount of cars they bought off me. So I knew this Yaris would be a nice one, and it certainly hasn't disappointed me so far. It's in very good shape indeed. What I want to do is just show you what this car offers you really in terms of accommodation and the sort of features that it has. The Icon edition was kind of like a special edition model that they ran for a few years, but it does give you a much nicer spec than the regular Yaris. So let's have a quick look through it. I think that this model of Yaris is quite a good looking car, certainly a very inoffensive one, with a nice big wide grille. It does look quite sporty almost from the front there. As we come round it, obviously 5-door model, but they all were by this time. The only 3-door Yaris these days is the GR model. You've gone very practical. I think the thing with the Yaris is it has got gradually slightly bigger over the years, because the Aygo has taken over the Toyota's small car role, and this car really has become a little bit bigger and a little more family friendly. So there's quite a decent sized boot there. You can see by my trade plates the size of it. It is quite deep, and it does go down quite a long way as well. I'm just going to turn the radio down so we don't get into trouble. It's actually streaming music off my phone, that is, currently. Feature that I really like on these, actually, the media streaming. So here we have the back, quite spacious, 5 seats. It's got a really large cup holder in the middle, kind of like a bottle holder. Windy windows in the back, but quite a lot of space on offer, and because it's quite a flat floor, it's a proper flat floor car, this is. Look, get that in there. You've got quite a lot of space and leg room even for the middle passenger. It's also got isofix points for your car seats as well, so it's very practical. Moving on to the front, well, this is where you get a little bit more spec in this Icon model. It's got the touch screen there, multifunction wheel as well with the audio controls, and it's a 1.3 litre but with a 6-speed manual gearbox, so it's surprisingly quick. I'll just jump in behind the wheel. I do like the layout of this car. You've got loads of little storage compartments in it, which are quite handy. The vents on it are quite nice as well. They sort of spin around like that. Got this big touch screen, and it is a proper touch screen, this is as well, so I can select my music literally a touch of a screen. Air conditioning. It's just regular aircon, but nice and simple and easy to use, so exactly what you would want in a car like this. Another little shelf here, which is quite handy for oddments and bits. And then you've got 2 cup holders in the middle, and a further couple of cup holders in the door pocket on each side. So it is very spacious. It feels quite wide, this car does as well. But what you will love is the fact that it has got very, very good all-round visibility on it. It's a very easy car to drive. Nice big door mirrors, extra little quarter lights here, which make it seem like the pillars are a little bit thinner than they actually are. And that makes it feel very easy to park and manoeuvre, which is very important on a car like this. Now, one other thing that this car has got, which I'll start it up now. Oh, there is the startup sequence, by the way. Let's just let it do that. I have got to reset the tyre pressures because it's got the tyre pressure warning light on at the moment, but we'll do that. 50,870 miles. That's very low for this age of car. And it's got a very revvy engine. It does like to go, this engine does. It's a VVTi engine, so variable valve timing. Right, so one thing we have got on this car is a reversing camera. Really handy, really easy to use, and yeah, makes it very much, makes it even easier to drive, essentially. The main thing with the Yaris is that it is easy to drive, easy to live with, cheap on insurance, cheap on tax, £35 a year this one is. It's a very painless car to own. If you are looking for a car and you haven't got really any other sort of briefing that you need, this is the perfect vehicle for you because it does everything you could possibly want in one vehicle. While there are faster, sportier, bigger cars around, this car is spacious enough to take 5 adults. It's got the equipment level of everything that I would want on a car. 6-speed manual. It's got the media system and the phone system on it, which are two things that I think are pretty much essential these days. And everything on it is quite logical and well laid out. It's a very, very nice car. And if you're looking for something that's just cheap to run and cost effective to own, this pretty much comes up trumps. I was thinking to myself earlier, if I had to buy a brand new car at the moment, what would I buy? Because I'm not really a massive fan of electric and stuff, as you will probably know, and I'd probably buy one of these, a new version of this. They're just good cars. You know, they do everything well, and that little 1.3 engine is an absolute gem. So as much as it doesn't look overly sporty, it's actually great fun to drive. It's zippy, it's great gearbox on it, really nice throw on this 6-speed box. Does everything that you would want really from a small car without any real negatives that I can think of. I guess if there's one thing the Yaris is guilty of, it's perhaps being too competent, and maybe that's why people think it's perhaps a little bit boring, but there's nothing boring about being reliable, is there? On this particular car, well, 9 years old almost, but a couple of little very small marks on the wheels. They are alloys, as you can see, and a couple of little curb marks there, but nothing really that I would get too critical over. Same on the back there. A couple of very light little scuffs, but we will touch those in before the car goes out to its new owner. No, all in all, that's probably the worst of the wheels there. It's caught the back one worse than the front for some reason. Overall, it's just a nice little car, this is, and I know it's been looked after because obviously I know the previous owner. If you're in the market for something like this, well, give us a shout. My number's 07932 873 646, and the Yaris is available for nationwide delivery, and we're also happy to take your old car in Part X, so let us know what you got. We'll work out a deal to suit you. And guys, please, as you are watching the channel, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Also hit on the notifications and you'll be kept abreast of other cars we've got coming into stock, and other cars and reviews like this of various models and cars that we come across on our travels as motor dealers. But thanks very much for watching. That number one more time if you need to get in touch is 07932 873 646. Thanks ever so much for watching. I will leave you with this beautiful view of the Yaris and a slightly misty Welsh coast. Bye for now.